In this video, I'll show you how to send ETH to your Phantom wallet. First, make sure Phantom is set up and that you've enabled the Ethereum network. Open Phantom, tap or click your wallet name at the top, and switch to Ethereum if it isn't already selected. Now, in Phantom, go to your ETH wallet and tap Receive. You'll see your Ethereum address and a QR code. Tap Copy to copy your ETH address. Next, open the app or exchange where your ETH is currently stored, for example Binance, Coinbase, or another wallet. Start a send or withdraw transaction for Ethereum, ETH, then paste the Phantom ETH address into the recipient field. Make sure the network is Ethereum, ERC20, not another network. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send and confirm. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. After a short while, go back to Phantom and you should see your ETH balance updated in your Ethereum wallet. Always double-check the address and network before sending, and never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.